Sylw nesa I Gwobr Emrys Evans. Mae hon yn wobr bwysig iawn i'r gymdeithas, a Scott Davis o Vale Hilltop sydd wedi ennill eleni ac yn cael ei rhoi I fusnes oedd yn gallu marchnata unigolyn oedd y marchnata I gynnyrch yna. Many congratulations, Scott.
Thank you, thank you.
So tell us about your business. How did it start?
Hilltop Honey started basically in Newtown in Mid Wales, and I failed school miserably, and I was working in a coal yard, and I really injured my back. I had 18 months of physio, and then from there really I didn't really have much choice because I couldn't get an office job, I couldn't do manual labour anymore. My dad's a sheep farmer, and I really wanted to work outside, so we sort of talked about it, and we thought, oh, you know, no one's really doing bees at the moment. So I read up on bees, bought some beehives, started keeping bees, surprisingly, and started...
How many to start off with then?
Only 10 beehives in the back garden and just around the farm. And then we started packing our Welsh honey in the summer of 2011 and started selling it door to door. Very, very scary time for me. I wasn't really that way inclined. But we sort of found ourselves very excelling in selling honey somehow and marketing the honey and the way the brand was. So from there, it's grown since 2011 to...
So what's the secret then, the marketing secret?
I think it's listening to your consumers. So we went to exactly this, the Royal Welsh, and every show you can think of in between.
Because we've seen you in the food hall over the years.
Yeah, I've done food hall for the last sort of 6 years, and we've done lots of little food festivals up and down Wales and the country.
So what kind of feedback do you get that helps you develop your product?
So in the early stages, they were just telling us about what kind of flavour profile they liked, how they thought of the branding, what products they wanted to see in the future, how they liked the wording of the honey, just little things that then you listen to your consumer and market towards them. It's quite simple in that respect.
Okay. Are you still moving forward? Are you still developing?
Yeah, we're doubling the size pretty much every year. We have done for the last 7 years. We're up to 30 employees now. We sell enough honey to sort of fill Wembley Stadium about 4 to 5 times over a month.
Wow.
So yeah, and we're in every single retailer apart from Asda and Waitrose. So, yeah.
Okay, so you're working on that, are you?
Yeah, we're trying our best. Yeah.
So what does this award today mean to you?
Oh look, you never really start a business with awards in mind ever, and I'm pretty sure everybody will say the same thing, but it's very prestigious awards, and it's quite an honour really for somebody to just phone up and say, look, as a county we've nominated you, and then you're going on towards fighting for Wales really against all the Welsh competitors, and we won. I couldn't quite believe it, to be honest with you. There's some awesome businesses, and yeah, I was really proud about it.
Well done. Many congratulations. Celebrations tonight?
And I've actually been shooting for Wales the last 4 days up in northern England. I've been representing Wales in clay pigeon shooting.
Shooting, really?
Yeah. So I shoot for Wales, but that involves
You're a man of many talents, then.
So that involves a lot of drink. So I'm keeping the drink on the down low now.
You'll have a night off.
Enough drink for me. Yeah.
Well, congratulations and thanks for the chat. Well done.
Thank you. Thanks.